Hello, here's another tutorial for those who are passionate about massaging. For those who don't know me yet, I am Ulf Pape from Germany. I work there as a lecturer in massage therapy, osteopathy, and physiotherapy. This short tutorial is about neck treatment in the prone position on a mat. I often tell my students that they should be able to treat both on the bench and on a mat. This helps them to develop their technical finesse. I recommend you ask questions and subscribe to the channel. Here we go. Position yourself in front of your client's head. Begin with gentle strokes of the back bilaterally from the thoracic spine to the sacrum. These strokes resemble swimming movements. Breathe evenly and deeply while massaging. Then cross your forearms while stroking. Then use your fists to melt deeply and slowly paravertebrally into the myofascial tissue. Use the power of your center of gravity. Now place the client's upper arms over your thighs for the neck treatment. Perform a bilateral traction move. Shift your body's center of gravity backwards. Now combine the traction pull with lateral sweeping. In the next maneuver, stroke out the neck by plucking it, similar to what you would do with a cat. Then perform light suboccipital frictions. Now perform a Thai massage maneuver. Cross your fingers and apply pressure with both thumbs over all transverse processes of the cervical spine. Go with your thumb acupressure up and down. Be mindful. Only press as hard as is comfortable for the client. Finally, cross out a long line again. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Thank you for your attention.